Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to measure the current through any component or through any branch or through any circuit within the simulIDE simulator. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to draw a simple circuit. And our circuit consists of battery and one incandescent bulb. So now we can see that this is our battery, and now we will drag our incandescent bulb. So this is our incandescent lamp or bulb. Okay, now we need to connect our battery with the bulb like this. And now, okay, you can see this thing. And now we will go and we will take our switch. So this is our simple switch, with the help of which we can, this is dip switch. So we will go and we will take our simple push switch. So we will connect one end of the battery with the push button or push switch, and other end of the push button or push switch with the incandescent lamp. So this is our basic circuit. We will run it out, and whenever we will press the battery, we can see that our lamp becomes on. Now we will stop it, and then we will go and we will take our ammeter. So ammeter or ammeter. So this is ammeter. So now this is our current measuring device. So here, okay, now we will delete one of the trace. Okay, where let me see it out. Okay, so we can place it here. Okay, so I will remove this and this one. Okay, now I will place the lamp ampere meter in series. Okay, we will break our circuit and then we will place our ammeter in series with the incandescent lamp. Means that current will flow first from the incandescent lamp, and then it will come to the ammeter, and then it will pass through the ammeter, and then from the switch to the battery. So now we will run it out, and we can see that we just read 0.0 ampere, and now, okay, now you can see that we got 1.00 ampere. So if we increase the current, you will see that our let me start. Now you can see still it is showing us 1.00 ampere. It is max current. Okay, so it is we can say that it is the transition state current maybe. Okay, and lamp is just extracting 1 ampere from this battery. So with the help of ammeter we can read it out. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.